Hello friends, this is Jamie and today I have a few little fun goodies that came in the mail. So this is an unboxing with me. So I've covered up all my addresses and I've got 3 little packages, so I'm going to start smallest to biggest. This first one is from the Coffee Monster Co. I believe that this is from her birthday sale back in August. I think, yes, I have been wanting to get into the world of fountain pens, and I decided after they were already all sold out that I wanted to get this, the fountain pen ink. Oh, and this is too cute. That is, it says unique. That's awesome. But I decided I wanted to get into it. And I do have, since I bought these, I have started dabbling. I have these 2 pens and I cannot remember the name of them. I got them on Amazon. They're not bad. This white one actually works really good. This one, I've got this one clogged already and I still have not figured out how to unclog it, but I will. But I really wanted to try these. I got the Day to Night, which is a purple color, and then the Coffee Monster, which is a brown color. The bottles are plastic and they are the Robert Oster signature fountain pen ink. This is amazing. So I have black ink. Where did I put that? I'll have to show later because, oh no, here it is. I have the Monteverde USA Onyx ink in this black one, and I love this black ink. So again, I am a very big newbie when it comes to this. So this is something that I am starting my little adventure on, dabbling into the world of fountain pens and fountain pen ink. This is from the Rosie Life Planner. Again, I have really fallen, I don't even know how to open up this box. I have really fallen in love with her stickers. And when she went out on holiday, she put on a sale. And this should be from that. Okay. Everything out of that. And put that there. So one of the first things that I got was this washi, and she always has the prettiest stuff too. My husband and I love to travel, and I saw that she had this travel washi. I'm trying to find the edge, if I can find it. But it is a beautiful travel washi that is a tan and then pink and greens, and then it's a very good rendition of the globe: U.S., South America, Africa, Asia, and Europe. I guess South Asia's and Australia's a little. This is really pretty. Oh, there it is. Really pretty. And then just her signature, her thank you card. And then another thank you. So again, I bought all of this for myself. So this since I have started a reading journal, I thought that this would be neat to have in it, and it's just a stamp that says the title, author, date. Really nice. So again, I have not really used stamps. So again, dabbling there as well. This is one of the clips to hold your place in the planner. This is nice. So then you don't have to use a bookmark. Since I ordered it in October, I've got some October cards. This is a reminder to stop and take a deep breath. Oh, actually, I needed that this week. And then here's my October. That's really pretty. And then here are the stickers that I got. Get this out of the way, pull it up so I don't have. All right. So actually what I ended up doing is I missed out. I did something really funny. I ordered this set. This was, I believe, September's. I actually ordered 2023's September kit, and I am a daisy girl. And when I saw that these had daisies, I'm like, I will use the set. At least somewhere I will use the set because it is absolutely so pretty. And then here's the first one. This one says decorative books and bows. It's the decorative stickers. So this must be one of the other sets. So, and it's really pretty. We've got a stack of books. We've got a lady reading, flowers, and then your books. Again, with the reading book or just setting up. And I love how Linda does it, where she puts all of the different edges. You can actually, these are not cut, but you can cut these out and use them as additional stickers. And then this is part of the sticker. Yep, it's September 2024. So this, it says its name is Summer to Autumn. And then we've got a bed scene, sunflowers, a desk scene, an outdoor scene, a porch scene, a field, a butterfly, another sunflower, and then a bathtub scene. And again, this butterfly is cut as well as this little guy. So you do have, it's fully used. This one does have some metallic on it. And this is the scrapbook style. A lady writing, that looks like a kitchen scene, a lamp with a clock, these little flowers, and then you have your porch and rocking chair and coffee scene. This right here is totally me. I love rocking chairs. I have since I was little, and I think I have taught Leo to do the same thing. And again, this is just a sunflower. I'm not quite sure what that flower is called, and then some butterflies. Absolutely beautiful. And this one does have some silver sparkle to it. You can see it on the reflection. And then this one has a cottage scene, an edge, another edge, flowers, and then you have some like washi strips. Again, even though this is the September kit that I did not, and it has some silver sparkle, I will use this because I think it's absolutely beautiful. And I got two of these. Again, just so pretty, the detail. And then I did get just the washi strips. And I think what I most likely will end up using for this, at least to my mindset, is the beginning part of setting up for 2025 so for example, I would set it up and use it here in the very front part of the calendars, setting up all of these. these pages, putting some decoration on it, especially like this one, even down here in the front. That's where I usually I decorate my front parts of my planners. So that's where I think I had envisioned, because all of these washi strips and all of the flowers and such, I can do that. And I think it'll look really pretty, because again, I love daisies and sunflowers. So this was totally up my alley there. Okay. And then sorry, just getting everything out of the way. And then the last one is, I believe, my Sterling Ink subscription kit. So I love her packaging. I get the deluxe subscription kit, which is the biggest one. And again, I have been using all of the colors, or all of the stickers. Wow, this is beautiful. The lilies. This is pretty. So already it looks like a very, it reminds me of, like, with the pearls and the lace and the jewels, like almost like a tea party is what it reminds me of, just on the first glance. So the first one is my November card, and then the days of the week, and there's five days of the week. And then it's the actual days. And since Sterling Ink doesn't do, I use these for the dailies. Those are beautiful. And then, let me get this out. Oh, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. There's let me make sure I've got this centered. There's a typewriter, a Sterling Ink tea and journal. Here's her inks. It looks like some lace. This is just really pretty. I usually cut these up and put them in parts of my my monthly, but this almost looks like it should be like a cover, and it's pretty. And then cut that out. Those are really pretty. And then these are those are the stickers. So again, I do get the full November. Oh, look at this, is pretty. She did something a little bit different. She's got the black lace, or it looks like film. Hold on. That's pretty. That's pretty. And then November going through it, where it started off the black and then it turns into white. That's pretty. And then a storefront photo. Here, I'll save that for a minute. And then I love these. I usually use these stickers. Oh, these are pretty. I use these usually in my dailies, and I place them on a day of the week. These are gorgeous. There's more jewels, and it does have, some of these over here have the sparkle to it. Oh, this one does too. So I've got 3 of them with sparkle, and then 2 of them that don't. That's really pretty with the jewels. And again, I'll lift them up so This is really pretty. It's really pretty. Like a cafe, a staircase, a desk with ink bottles, and then the typewriter. Again, very pretty. And then these are edges and then corner pieces. And they have glitter. Oh, that's a grapefruit. I just realized she has grapefruit in this one. And then here's your larger elements. Can't get the camera to zoom. There you go. It's really pretty. And then these are the ones with the raw edges. And this one has glitter. This one is, again, a desk scene, typewriter scene, the staircase, and then I think that's a window. It's either a bathtub. I think it's the bathtub, and then a dresser. It's really pretty. And then here are some smaller elements. Again, very pretty. So we've got the typewriter up here. And then down here, another view. I think it's a bathtub, or could be a window seat, typewriter, your staircase, and again another view of the ink bottles. So pretty. I'm loving the purples. And here are the washies. So I've got different washies, and like different strips, big florals, and then I think that is it's either a daisy. I think that's a table. Looking at this bigger picture, that's a table, and then that's a window seat behind it, and then there's a stack of books. That's what that actually is on the bigger picture. I just needed to. That's so pretty. And again, these all have a little bit of sparkle in it. It's a silver sparkle. The center one does not. That's pretty. And then the days of the week, and then I get the one with the picture frames. And then this is the, I guess this is the larger raw edges. And so this is what those look like. It's very pretty. These are usually darker, and so I'm very happy that they're a little brighter this time. Again, it's now the same continuous scenes, which is so pretty. I think that this scene right here is my favorite one out of this vignette. And then the last ones. Oh, this is neat. So last month I didn't get this, but so this one is the washi strip. This is a washi strip. And then this is the picture. And this one says typewriter and books. That's a full picture. This is a washi strip. Oh, you know what? This is October's. I just realized this, she must have forgotten it and put it in. Oh, that's a delightful surprise. And then here are the stamps. Again, it's so pretty. I love this one. Again, I love the scenes. Now here's a typewriter. That's the staircase, another typewriter. That's the window, another typewriter, another view of the window. So you've got a large and small. This is exciting. I'm excited to start with setting up for November. And then here are the minis. Again, another little, that's pretty. Again, that's my favorite one. Here's like the monthly thank you one, the November tabs. I don't use the tabs, but I think a lot of people do, and I think that they're beautiful. Here's another version of the November. This one is in the bold font. The other one is in script. A monthly sticker, and then this is pretty. I love this. This is her thank you. Thank you. So pretty. Well, yay. I'm excited to start setting up for November and figuring out how to use my inks. I appreciate you guys watching and joining me today. Have a great day. Bye.